guys, real quick. Yes, I'm on my way to the training center, the Chrysler Training Center. It takes me almost an hour to get here. All right, so I figure I can kill some time by running through my comment section on my YouTube channel and just make some reply videos. All right, one such video was my buddy, coming from my buddy Jeffrey. All right, Jeffrey want to know. Jeffrey got a 2010 Dodge Challenger. He want to know, can he wait till next summer to get his timing belt done? 56,000 miles. That's it, Jeffrey. Wait a minute, man. 56,000 miles. Here's the thing about that. It's a 2010 model vehicle with 56,000 miles. Wow. All right, you got a 3.5, guys. In case you don't know, the 3.5. We're not talking about the Pentastar. All right, the 2010. Remember, the Pentastar didn't show up to 2011. Okay, so my man got a 2010. Now, y'all might as well look at the traffic, guys, while we do this. Here's the thing, Jeffrey. Check it out, man. Your car is equipped, yes, with a timing belt. We already established that. But the thing is, technically, you're not due for maybe like 120,000 miles. All right, if you have 50,000 miles on your car, one would think it's okay. You got plenty of time left. But think about the other crucial element that you mentioned in this question. It's a 2010 model. Okay, so your timing belt has a lot of age to it. Not a lot of miles, but a lot of age. All right, 2010. What we in 2023 now? Technically, your timing belt is 13 years old. All right, now how much use have it has acquired? Hardly any. But guys, let's do this. Let's do it like this. Or let me speak on it like this. There are some parts on the vehicle one should replace because of age. You ever notice on your warranty, on some of you guys' warranty, your powertrain or your regular warranty, it would say something like up to 70,000 miles or 7 years. That's what they're talking about, okay? Age versus time. So your belt can have a lifespan like that too. I mean, you can look at it like that too. If your belt 13 years old but doesn't have a lot of miles on it, chances are you should probably replace it as well. Have you ever noticed how dry rotted tires on my truck, my Nissan truck? I replace my tires a lot. Not because I wear them out, it's because they dry rot. They set my truck. I don't hardly drive my truck and set in the sun beam on those tires, and the tires literally get cuts right down the middle. Look at all this traffic, guys. And when that happened, guys, I end up having my tire will warp, funny shape, and just bounce all over the place. And for that reason alone, I have to replace my tires. Even though I don't even put 10,000 miles on that truck. I hardly ever drive that truck, but I'm still replacing tires. Go figure. So age can play a major factor in early parts death. All right, so at a 2010 model with 56,000 miles, should you replace your timing belt? I say yes, okay, based off the age of it. Now the thing about this 3.5, guys, it has a timing belt tensioner inside of it. I'm gonna let some of this clip roll by. That timing belt tensioner will fail before your belt fail, but that timing belt tensioner is bearing. Has bearings on it. So when those bearings, when those bearings finally give out, it will crumble and cause your car to jump time and can cause all kinds of problems. All right, but that's not like, I'm not sure if a bearing is the same way, has the same lifespan as a belt as far as life. Okay, right, that bearing is made of steel, so it's not gonna dry rot. All right, you know what I'm saying? Now, I guess it could dry out. I don't know if anybody got a better explanation for that. Feel free to jump in the comment section, because I get tongue-tied. I get stuck on stuff. But speaking about that, look at this clip right here, guys. When this bearing come apart, all those balls will fall out, and your car will jump time, and your car can jump time one tooth and still be running, but you will be running bad. You will not be idling perfect. You might not be doing anything you're supposed to, the car's supposed to, and you will be under the assumption that you need some kind of crazy tune-up or you need this. And you run straight to the shop. How much is a tune-up? All right, I need a tune-up. That's what I say, guys. I'm going to speak on that on the next video. Run into the shop telling them what to do. Don't do that. We'll talk about that on the next video. But a lot of people, when they timing belt jump, it could be one tooth. It doesn't matter, guys. If your camshaft not properly aligned, this is what happened when we speaking about timing. The camshafts on this 3.5, this is dual overhead cams. All right, so there's two cam. No, how is this cam? No. The 3.5, I'm thinking, is it dual or one? I can't remember. But anyway, the camshaft has to be in time, in sync with the crankshaft. The only way to accomplish that is with some type of belt or a chain. In this 3.5 case, we use a chain. All right, so once we get the chain on there and properly aligned based off top dead center, properly align the crankshaft with the camshaft, you're good to go. All right, but the minute that relationship is compromised, now we're gonna have some problems. All right, so that's why I say one tooth off, you can still drive, but you will have problems, and it can mislead the consumer into thinking she need a tune-up. Now, on the flip side of that, let's say your timing belt jumped. They diagnose it and find. Remember, they still only got an hour to do this. I don't know why you guys have a hard time understanding how flat rate works. 1 hour flat rate diagnostic charge, the technician only got 1 hour to figure it out. Unless he have to go back and get authorized more time, he only getting paid 1 hour. So if he can remove that timing cover and find out your teeth are the timing marks are off, then yeah, he did good. Some mechanics are good like that. Some are not. All right. Now, if he tear that sucker apart, go back and tell you, yeah, you out of time. That's why you're running bad. Here's the estimate to fix it. It's 5 hours later to put a timing belt on. Now you're gonna start debating should you do that or not. All right. But your car is tore down. At least the front cover is off. So it's time for a decision you have to make. All right, I'm exceeding my time on this video, but yes, guys, be wary about that time versus usage. Am I saying that right? A timing belt can fail from a time standpoint as well as a usage standpoint. Which one should you consider the most important? They all important. They both important. A 13-year belt should definitely be replaced, whether it got 100,000 miles on it or 20,000 miles on it. In my opinion. This is my opinion. You ask my opinion, I'm going to tell it. All right, guys, I'm out. I'm still, as you can see, I'm still stuck on the freeway, but because I am headed to Chrysler Training Center, it takes me an hour to get here. I'm going to take some more questions off my YouTube channel. Man, I appreciate y'all watching, man. Stay tuned for more. I'll get back with y'all.